Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be just speaking about NACE testing, that in which scenarios it's recommended. As in previous videos, we already mentioned that what is NACE testing, what it's looking for. So we will be just briefly describing today that in which scenarios it is recommended and whom can get benefited from it. So first of all, NACE, as we already know, that it's a non-invasive analysis and chromosomal examination of the fetus, and which can be done at 10th week of pregnancy. So it is recommended in those scenarios, or in some scenarios it's optional for patient to know more about their fetus, who are curious to check for the chromosomal status of their fetus at early as possible. So it is recommended, the first scenario is any patient who is pregnant after the age of 35, where there is an increased risk of chromosomal aneuploidies to be there. So it is recommended for those patients, first of all, and it's quite important for them to know the status, because Down syndrome and Edwards syndrome, they have quite high frequency after the age of 35, and it increases by every year it passes. So it's most important for those patients. The second scenario is if a patient has any family history of any chromosomal aneuploidy in their family, like a patient who have in their relative a Down syndrome or Edward syndrome, Petal syndrome, Klinefelter, or anyone. So it's quite important for those need to check their own fetus status as well. And the third one is if the patient is having an abnormal first trimester screening or some abnormality in their ultrasound. So it's quite important for those patients to test their fetus for these common syndromes. And lastly, which is not its main purpose, but patient can get to know about their gender status of their fetus. That's not its main priority as well, but NACE 5 checks for any aneuploidies or chromosomal aberrations or any abnormalities in the sex chromosomes as well. So yeah, it tells you all about that. So thank you guys for watching our video, and I hope you like it. You can subscribe and like this video, and you can subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you.